Abhimani guys. Now, today we are going to discuss about SHE and or NHE. Okay, this abbreviation is standard hydrogen electrode. Okay, this is standard hydrogen electrode or normal hydrogen electrode. Either you can call standard, either we can call normal. Okay, for this one we are using for finding the how much of electricity is transferred to one side to one more side. Either cathode to anode, how much is electricity is transferred, and cathode to anode how much, anode to cathode how much is transferred electricity. For finding purpose we are using standard electrode we are using. Okay, why we are using hydrogen here? Now I will tell you that why we are using hydrogen. Actually, in this cell middle we are taking hydrogen gas. In the cell middle we are taking hydrogen gas. That's why we are using standard or normal hydrogen electrode. Okay, this is used for finding the electricity, how much of electricity is transferred. Okay, now let's take the diagram, very important. Okay, now this is the cell. Now bottom side it is open, from top to the center it is one pipe is there, and this downside end is closed. In that pipe middle one wire is there, that wire is connected to here, one plate is there, like this plate is there. Okay, now here small hole is there, that pipe is connection from the bottom. Okay, here also one common hole is there, here common hole, here bottom hole, and this pipe between one wire is there, that wire is connected to here. Now this is closed, now this is the wire. Okay, see, this is the platinum foil coated with PT block. This is the platinum foil, very small one, platinum foil coated with PT block. PT block means what? This platinum with the black color, they are coated with that one. Okay, and here with this one they are using, it is H2 gas they are sending. With this hole they are sending the H2 gas at 1 bar pressure. 1 bar pressure. And what cell we are using? Now we are taking into this solution. Okay, now we are taking into this solution. The solution, what solution we are taking? For example, HCl we are taking here. Not for example, just commonly we are taking HCl, hydrochloric acid, very dangerous one. If it is fell down on our skin, that you know, that much dangerous one we are taking. But this is made up of with glass. So nothing will happen. So this one, it is 1m HCl we are taking. 1 molarity HCl we are taking. So this is called hydrogen electrode. Hydrogen electrode, standard or normal. Okay, got it guys? Now actually for this one, how to write? Yesterday I told the double line is a single line, double line is salt bridge, single line is solid and liquid separation, that is I told, right? In that way, cell representation, how to write this one? Okay, now let's take cell representation or SHE representation is first platinum, otherwise just take like this, PT platinum and comma H2 in the bracket gas, single line and H plus. Why H plus we are taking? H plus why we are taking? It is hydrogen, HCl onwards, what will come? H plus, Cl minus will come. So H plus we are taking. And concentration we are taking here. How much concentration? 1 m concentration. 1 m we have to take. So PT, H2 gas and H2 is a solution and concentration, and here double line will come. What is the right side cell? That is we have to take as usual. Understood? Zinc electrode, whatever it outside after 2 lines, this is salt bridge, after 1 more will come. Whatever you are taking, that will come. Got it? So now first I will tell some theory about this. Okay, everything clear? See, platinum we are taking, H2 gas inside, H2 gas we are taking, and HCl solution, HCl we are taking, 1 m concentration we are taking. And salt bridge, whatever it is there, left side or right side or whatever it is there, that one we have to connect it with this wire. See, look at here. Yesterday we discussed this, right? So here to here how much of electricity is transferring? This one how much of electricity is taking? We don't know. So that's why this full place is there, na? Except salt bridge, this solution, everything, this beaker, fully we replaced with this one. First we have to replace it with this one. Next, for example, this one replaced with SHE. Then later, just keep it the same place and replace this one. Next, replace this one next. So first replace this one. How much of electricity is coming from zinc rod onwards? We calculate it. Note it down. Next, we are keeping copper electrode here till everything, and we are putting the SHE here. Now how much of electricity is transferring? How much of electricity is pulling? Everything you copy it. Now that is called, it is finding the electricity from electrochemical cell. For that purpose we are using this. Got it? Fruity? Got it? This is the that purpose only we are using this. This is also called EMF. Okay? Electromotive force. How much of force of electricity is transferring, for finding purpose we are using this. Okay? See, determination of standard electrode potential. Now I will show you with the diagram. Okay? First diagram, look at here. See, this is the first diagram. Zinc rod we are keeping same as it is. So this is left one, this is right one. So left one, zinc rod, zinc sulfate solution, salt bridge, everything as usual we are keeping. Okay, everything as usual we are taking. Next, this place, changing it to this side. Left side, zinc one we are taking. Right side, SHE we are taking. Right, okay. Now, next. See here. Left side we are taking SHE. Right side we are taking cathode. Copper sulfate solution, beaker, everything. As usual, salt bridge and everything is there. Okay. So, this is replaced by zinc. See, two diagrams. What you are understanding? See, for here to year, how much of electricity is transferring? Year to year, how much of electricity is transferring? We have to calculate. So here what is happening? Here what is happening? Already you know. Where is oxidation is happening? Here is reduction is going on. We know. Now let's go to the little depth manner. It is. Now let's take first one, determination of standard electrode potential. Standard electrode potential of Zn plus 2. Zn plus 2. 1m solution. So take a beaker, and here I am taking SHE, and here zinc rod I am taking. Now this connected to this one, salt bridge as usual. Take this diagram, everybody. Okay, here ZnSO4, here HCl. Now let's take HCl, ZnSO4, zinc, SHE, KCl, salt bridge, everything as usual we are taking. Now here zinc sulfate onwards, 1m solution. This 1m ZnSO4 onwards. This is -1. -1 is what? Anode. We are taking as a cathode is here. At anode what is going on? At anode oxidation or reduction? At anode oxidation. Okay, at anode oxidation is going on. Now let's take EMF. This is EMF means electromotive force. Electromotive force, EMF. EMF of cell comes out to be, so here onwards, now ammeter will represent how much of electricity is transferred. That is, EMF of 1m ZnSO4 solution is 0.76 volts. 0.76 volts. Here everything is recorded, how much of electricity is transferred. Okay, now write standard oxidation potential at anode is 0.76 volts. 0.76 volts. Standard oxidation potential, SOP. Standard oxidation potential, standard reduction potential, SRP. Next will come. Okay. Now let's change the SHE. Now let's remove from here, keep it here. Now here copper sulfate solution and copper rod, fix it. Okay, left side and right side. Okay, next one we are taking determination of standard electrode potential of Cu plus 2. Okay, here Cu plus 2, Zn replaced one. So here what we are taking here, anode, cathode, and here what solution we are taking, CuSO4 solution we are taking and Cu rod we are taking. Cu rod, CuSO4 solution, and here what we are taking? Here HCl we are taking, and what? H2 gas we are taking, that is leave it, and salt bridge is KCl we are taking. Salt bridge is KCl we are taking. KCl is fulfilled in this U tube. Okay, at anode oxidation already we know. So here at cathode reduction we are taking. At cathode reduction we are taking. So determination of standard electrode potential place standard reduction potential. So standard, so same process, reduction potential. See, actually there SOP how much came, standard oxidation potential how much came, EMF there first cell, that is SOP we are getting 0.76, right? Now standard reduction potential, so if you are looking here ammeter or voltmeter for transferring of electricity is 0.34. 0.34. Here 0.76, 0.34. So here onwards 0.34 is going on. Here onwards 0.76 going on. So totally how much is going on? Now just commonly 1.10 volts. So when copper and zinc rods, when we are dipping into zinc sulfate and copper sulfate solutions, 1.10 volts of electricity is producing. 1.10 volts of electricity is producing. This is the conclusion for cell. But how we are finding that one? By using standard electrode potential we are using, and we are finding this is 1.10 volts. Because of here this many volts, here this many volts. Got it? So SOP is this much, SRP SRP is 0.34. Just it is a common. But here the thing is how to write cells. How to write the cells. This cell how to represent it. Now first SOP I will write, standard oxidation potential I will write, first one. Okay, yesterday rules, zinc single line Zn plus 2 concentration 1m, close the concentration and take two lines. Take the two lines. What we have to take? SHE we have to take. Where is SHE? This one. This one we have to take. Okay, now let's take. How to take? First of all, which one we have to take? This is coming from left to right. So here H plus concentration 1m, concentration 1m, single line, H2 gas and PT. This is the way of doing SOP. Next, SRP. SRP how to take? PT, H2 gas, single line, H plus 1m, double line, salt bridge, and what we have to take? Cu plus 2, 1m solution, and single line, Cu. Okay, here 0.76, here 0.34, 0.76, 0.34, 1, 2. This is the way of writing standard electrode potential. Got it? This is the topic. This is the topic about. But till here everybody will understand very easily, simple. But here onwards some formulas will enter. That first formula is, it is, put the very important symbol and reduction potential is equals to minus oxidation potential. This is the formula. What is reduction potential value you are getting? That is minus. So reduction potential equal to minus oxidation potential means reduction potential equal to minus oxidation potential. So Rp reduction potential equal to minus oxidation potential minus 0.76 value. You have to change it like this every time. Reduction potential we have to change it like this. This is for zinc. Okay, this is the first and important formula. Every time it will changes. And one more, actually it is not in our topic, but it is useful for JEE NEET. I'll show you one diagram and I explain one diagram. Okay, it is calomel electrode. This is a calomel electrode. In the Robasis questions, in the middle it will come. That's why I am explaining. Copper lead wire. This is lead wire. It is a calomel means it is a one bottle like structure. One bottle, two holes are there, for one for salt bridge, one more for that cell. Okay. Here, first of all, what solution we are taking? KCl solution we are taking here. KCl solution upside we are taking. Okay. Salt bridge and including this everything is salt bridge. What solution is there? That everything we are taken here. And a platinum wire, mercury we taken downside, mercury paste, and mercury chloride we taken in the middle. Mercury chloride in the middle. Mercury chloride paste we are taking in the middle. Bottom side mercury we taken, and a platinum wire taken we here. This is also one kind of standard electrode potential, normal hydrogen electrode, like that kind of thing. This is also used for finding the how much electric volts are transferring one side to one side. Okay, so this is calomel electrode. Now in the question what they will ask, calomel electrode, what plate, what wire they are using? Platinum wire they are using. This kind of questions will come. KCl solution we are using in salt bridge. Okay, what we are taking in the bottom of the solution? Mercury and mercury chloride paste. Okay, this is also called normal hydrogen electrode, but we are not using hydrogen anywhere, but we have to call that. Okay, for this is for using gaseous are using is difficult, handling is difficult. That's why they are using for this one. For some gases also they will use. Okay, so concentration of KCl is 0.1 m. Now let's take values, these values, copy it. Concentration of KCl solution reduction potential is 0.1 N is 0.3338 volts, and 1 N is 0.28 volts, and standard one means calomel electrode. Standard one is this much. Okay, just to note down these values. These values are important. Calomel electrode. Okay, this is just for JEE and NEET people purpose. I explained this. This is not in board. Okay. Yeah. Now next topic is electromotive force. Before, without knowing that only, we pronounce that word, but we have to use it. Now, what is the electrode potential? We have to see. Cell potential or EMF of cell. Okay. The next one, cell potential or EMF of cell means the difference between the electrode potentials of two off cells. Two off cells is known as cell potential or cell voltage is called EMF. EMF means electromotive force. EMF. Either you can write all small letters, either we can write all capital letters. Not mingle. Okay, either small, either capital. Okay. See, this is the difference between, means two cells are there, right? Two cells. One side one more side one. These two cells between the difference, here how much air current, here how much. The difference, that is called EMF or cell potential or cell voltage. Cell voltage. See, this is the nature depend upon, this is the EMF of depend upon nature of reactants, second one, concentration of the solution, and third one, temperature. This is the depends. EMF cell depends upon nature of the reactants and concentration of the solution in the off cells and temperature. So the example we will take, one example. Okay, the EMF of Daniel cell is 1.1 volt. Where we done this? At 298 Kelvin. Where we done this? Just now only we done. For what? Zn plus 2, 1m concentration both Saltbridge, Cu plus 2, 1m concentration, that is must, and Cu. Okay, zinc and copper electrodes between, it is 1.10 volts electricity is transferred at 298 Kelvin temperature. This is called a Daniel cell. Why we are calling Daniel cell? Copper in copper pot, copper solution. Okay, this is the about EMF of cell. This is the best example. Few differences are there between what is the EMF and potential differences. See, actually each cell concentration we are taking separately and we are calculating the problem. Okay, we are calculating the problem at temperature, at what concentration, at what nature of reactant, everything will do in the problems. Okay, now this is about cell potential and EMF of cell. Now the next, electrochemical series. Next important point, electrochemical series. It is one of the important, the heart of the chapter. Without this one we can't do anything. Now for example, simply see, by using SHE, we are finding the 1.1 volt we are telling. Like that, the scientists, they told all the values. So zinc onwards how much coming? 0.76. And copper onwards how much coming? 0.34. Like this. The scientists, they given series, that is called electrochemical series. Now this chart based on only we have to do all the problems. Sir, we have to remember it. Yes, JE and NEET people, they have to remember this whole table. Now let's look at that table. Okay, very important table. Now just look at, don't bother. First of all, we will go to the SHE. SHE standard hydrogen electrode. Hydrogen is taking 2 electrons and it is producing zero amount of electricity. That's why SHE we are using. That's why we are using SHE, because of it is producing zero amount of electricity. In a question, multiple choice question is there. Why standard hydrogen electrode, why we are using hydrogen? 4 reasons they will give down. You have to choose. Because of it won't produce and it won't absorb any amount of electricity. Any amount of electricity, zero. Now, this is the first point. Next, increasing strength of reducing agent. Upside, increasing, it's upside. Now first go to the upside. Highest one is lithium. What they are giving heading? Standard reduction potential. Standard reduction potential means what? Equals to minus oxidation potential. Standard reduction potential equals to minus oxidation potential. See, where is oxidation is going on? Where is oxidation is going on? There this values. There this values. Listen carefully what I am telling. Standard reduction potential means what? I will write. Standard reduction potential means minus oxidation potential. Right? This is only formula, right? So, where is oxidation going on? Their values this all are. This all are till here. But here, this all are reduction agents. Reduction potentials all are we are taking with positive symbol. And this is oxidation potential we are taking with negative. See, lithium while taking electron means oxidation is easily it happened, but reduction is very difficult. Okay, so that's why this is highest one, 0 minus 3.0 minus 3.05 minus 3.05 is for highest lithium. Reduction potential is highest. Standard reduction potential is highest lithium. Next, potassium, barium, calcium, sodium, like this. Decreasing order will come. Decreasing order will come. See, sir, we have to remember it. Yes, we have to remember it. Because of, see, look at here. Zinc 2 electrons taking, it become minus 0.76. Simply I told, with SHE by using I wrote this one. But actually, this is by the scientists they done and they given values. We have to remember it. Sir, why we have to remember it? Because of in suddenly problem will come. In a problem will come. In that problem, Fe they will give. Fe 2 electrons there and 1 electron also there, amma. Be careful. Yeah, Fe. See here, 2 electrons they given. Minus 0.44. You have to remember it because of in the question they will give Fe 2 electrons. That's it. They won't give this number. They won't give this number. Cadmium, remember it. Cobalt, remember it. Nickel, remember it. Tin, remember it. Lead, remember it. Without these values, you can't do anything. Aluminum 3 electrons taking, it is this much of oxidation reduction potential. If the minus is not there, that is called oxidation potential. If minus is there, reduction potential. Got it? This is about reduction potential. And right, lithium can easily oxidized. So, highest reduction potential. Write the point. Lithium easily oxidized. That's why highest reduction potential. Oxidize means lithium can release electrons easily. Now next come to downside. Come to downside. Reduction is going easily from the fluorine. Reduction is going on easily fluorine. Okay, that's why it is highest. Fluorine. Cobalt single electron. Cobalt single electron different. Cobalt 2 electrons different. That 28 minus 28. But look at here. Cobalt single electron is 1.82. Rm, gold, oxygen, water molecule formation, Cl2, bromine, mercury 2 electrons, 2 moles 2 electrons. Here 1 mole 2 electrons. And silver, mercury 2 electrons with this one. Next Fe single electron and Fe 2 electrons here. Fe 2 electrons in reduction potential Fe is single electron is an oxidation potential. See, all are different. Copper to one single electron and two electron. Copper single electron. See, all are different manner they given. This all values you have to remember it. So, sir, I can't remember it, sir. Means I will tell you some important. Just remember it. Mn. Zinc already everybody know. Fe. Nickel. Cobalt. Tin. Copper is must. Without copper, no chapter. Sorry, downside. These three. Tin no need, but okay, take it. Fe. And BrCl Fe must. Iodine also. Iodine, where it is there? Here. These all are very important. Now one statement I will read. Lithium will be oxidized most easily and hence it is the best reducing agent, whereas the fluoride ions are oxidized with the greatest difficulty and hence it is the weakest reducing agent. Okay? Now that statement later. For example, some metals are there. In the question they will ask some metals. So few metals are increasing order, decreasing order, they will ask. That time what do you have to do? Okay? Like that. Mg, magnesium, zinc, Fe, copper, silver. These all are, look at any, there is no any sequences in this. Which is highest oxidation potential, reduction potential, we don't know. There is any no sequences with number of electrons or number of ionization enthalpy. This kind of things are not important here. But simply we have to take like this. We have to remember the sequence. That's it. Magnesium is highest in metals. Silver is lowest. Okay. This is the, which is greater the oxidation potential of a metal is more easily it can lose the electrons. Hence greater the its reactivity. As a result, greater the oxidation potential can displace the metal with lower oxidation potential than salt solution. For example, oxidation potential of Mg, zinc, Fe, Cu and Ag in the order is this. Okay. So this reactivity order. This is also reactivity order. Magnesium is most reactive, then zinc, then Fe, then copper, then silver. Okay. More oxidation potential gives more reactivity. Write this point. Okay. Now, final, very important formula. One and only one formula. Actually, lot of formulas based on this formula will come, but I will tell you final formula first of all. E naught cell equals to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. E naught cell equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. See, simply it's better to take like this. Cell equals to cathode minus anode. The simple form, but this is actual form. Now based on this, nearly 20-25 problems are there in my book and your book, both completely 20-25 problems are there based on this only. It is looking is very simple, but it is difficult. But where is cathode, which is anode, you have to find out, and which is oxidation, which is reduction, you have to find out, and EMF of cell, both we have to find out, and finally answer you have to write it. Okay. So now let's go to the, before this some formulas will come. That formulas I will explain once. It is standard EMF of cell equals to square bracket standard oxidation potential standard oxidation potential, close the bracket, plus standard reduction potential, EMF of cell. Okay, next, standard EMF of cell, close the bracket, standard reduction potential minus standard oxidation potential. Standard reduction potential minus standard reduction potential of oxidation of cell. 1 minute. Sorry. Cut this. Think print mistake or what? 1 minute. Standard reduction potential of right hand side by standard reduction potential of left hand side. Yeah, this one better. EMF of cell, open the bracket, standard reduction potential of right hand side electrode minus standard reduction potential of left hand side electrode. Standard reduction potential of right hand side electrode minus standard reduction potential of left hand side. See, E cell equals to RHS minus LHS. RHS equal to LHS. Right hand side minus by left hand side. Which is right hand side? Which is left hand side? Right hand side is cathode. Left hand side anode. This is must you have to take, amma. This rule you have to follow. Remember it. Right hand side cathode. Right hand side is cathode. That's it. No more changes. Right hand side is cathode. Okay, based on this, now few problems we have to do. Now today's problem number 1. Now just copy the problem fast. Copy this. Calculate the standard EMF of cell which involve the following cell reaction given that Zn plus 2 is 0.76 volts and is E0 cell Ag plus is minus 0.80 volts, minus 0.80 volts. Got it? This is the question. This is the reaction. Zn plus 2Ag gives rise to Zn plus and 2Ag, and this is the standard cells. Okay, now do the problem. First you do the problem, pause the video, do the problem, then later you look at the problem. You look at my problem. See, continue the video. Look at here. First, the cell reaction may be split into two halves. Zn gives rise to Zn plus 2 electrons. Losing the electrons means oxidation. What oxidation? Of oxidation. Of oxidation of reaction. Now 2Ag plus gaining 2 electrons and gives rise to 2 Ag, it is half reduction. Half reduction. So E naught cell, Zn by Zn plus 2 is 0.76 and E naught Cu Ag plus is minus 0.80. Got it? This is the given. So first of all, you go to the, we need oxidation potential of zinc electrode but reduction potential of silver electrode. See, reduction potential of Ag is minus oxidation potential, that we know, right? OP of Ag. See, this one reduction potential is minus OP, right? Now let's take what it is. Reduction potential of Ag is minus 0.80. This means what? Plus 0.80. Okay. So, what is standard EMF cell? EMF cell equals to oxidation potential of zinc electrode plus reduction potential of Ag. Standard reduction, SOP plus SRP, SOP plus SRP, SOP of Zn, SRP of Ag, SOP of Zn, SRP of Ag. What it is? It is 0.76 plus 0.80 plus into plus 1.56 volts. I think you didn't understood this, right? EMF of cell, standard oxidation potential, standard reduction potential of right hand side electrode by left hand side electrode. This is SOP SOP of oxidation of cell, SOP of reduction of cell. First reaction. This one. Standard EMF of cell, SOP of oxidation of cell, reduction of cell. Okay, this is the first problem. Shall we go to the second problem? Lot of problems are there. You have to calculate it one by one. Yeah. For the cell, zinc, ZnSO4, Cu. Next problem. The cell, for the cell, zinc, ZnSO4, CSO4, Cu. Calculate the standard cell potential if standard state reduction potential is Cu and Zn is plus 34 and minus 0.76 volts, plus 0.34 volts and minus 0.76 volts respectively. Got it? This is the question. So what is he asking? Calculate the standard electrode potential. Means E cell, E naught cell you find out. Got it? Yeah. Pause the video. Do it. Then after look at. Yeah. Look at here. Zn plus 2, it is anode. How we are telling anode? In the starting of the chapter we discussed this. Zinc we are taking at anode place. So at anode oxidation is going on. So oxidation, what is going on? Oxidation potential minus 0.76. Reduction potential equal to minus oxidation potential. Okay. So minus 0.76. And copper at cathode. Copper at cathode is plus 0.34 volts. In the question what they give. So at anode, at cathode, both are over, right? Now E cell equal to cathode minus anode. Cathode is what? 0.34. Anode what? Minus. This minus symbol we taken, again minus. Minus into minus plus. Now finally 1.10 volts. The cell is totally 1.10 volts. Already I told this problem. That's why I am explaining very fast. Okay, this is the answer. This way we have to do. Cathode minus anode. Cathode minus anode. Okay. Problem number 2. Second problem. The cell of setup of between copper and silver electrode. Copper and silver. See. Copper and silver. If its two half cells work under standard conditions, calculate the EMF. Okay. So Cu they given, Ag they given, both they given. This is plus, this is plus. Plus 0.34 and plus 0.80 volts. See, calculate it. What we have to calculate it? EMF of cell. EMF of cell. Calculate it. Pause the video. Do it. Then look at my answer. Yes. Cu plus 2 Ag we have to write like this. Cu plus 2 at anode. Copper at anode. Oxidation. See, in the question they gave. Cu plus 2, the first they given. Here, like this they given. So, left hand side. So, this is anode. This is cathode. So, anode, it is 0.34. The cathode is 0.80. Both are positive. Now, E cell equal to cathode minus anode. Now, cathode 0.80. Anode is plus 0.34. So, plus into minus 0.80 minus 0.34. Now, finally, the answer is 0.46 volts. 0.46 volts. If you got it 0.46 volts, now that's enough. You are doing well. That mean. Okay. That is the answer. Now let's go to the problem number 3. Go to the problem number 3. What is that? Standard EMF of cell nickel plus 2 Saltbridge Cu plus 2 Cu is 0.59 volts. 0.59 volts. Standard electrode potential, reduction potential of copper electrode is 0.34. Calculate the standard electrode potential of nickel. Standard electrode potential of nickel electrode, we have to calculate it. So copper they given this much. Sorry, both they given this much. Copper they given 0.34 and nickel is how much? This one minus this one, that's it. This one minus this one. Simple. Okay, now let's take nickel, Saltbridge, copper. E cell equal to total. This fully they gave 0.59. 0.59 volts. S won't come, volt. 0.1. Copper is 0.34. Nickel is how much? So E cell equal to cathode minus anode. See, E cell value we know, cathode value we know, anode value we don't know. E anode we don't know. Okay, so this value will come this side, this anode will come this side. Now E anode equals to 0.34 minus 0.59. Got it? So answer is equal to E anode, E naught anode is minus 0.25 volt. Minus 0.25 volt. This is the way we have to do the problems. Now some more problems are there. Now I will give as a homework. Take the screenshots. Fourth problem. The EMF E following silver, copper, zinc, copper, the given values. Now calculate the zinc and silver. Interesting question. Silver, copper they given, zinc, copper they given values. Now zinc and silver you calculate it, how much it will come. Next, the half cell of the reaction of the oxidation potential is lead is given and silver also given. Write the cell reaction and calculate by EMF. Its EMF. Calculate its EMF. Write the cell reaction. Cell reaction means representation of cell. C. Silver is minus 0.80 volt. Got it? Now, sixth question. Two off cells are aluminum, magnesium. Reduction potential of these off cells are minus minus 1.60 and minus 2.36 respectively. Calculate the cell potential. Write the cell reaction also. Sixth question. And seventh question, calculate the EMF of the cell containing chromium cadmium electrodes. Chromium this, cadmium is this. Calculate the EMF of cell containing chromium and cadmium. Chromium this, cadmium is this. Question completed? Huh? Yeah, seventh question complete. This 7 questions means 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. 4 questions is a homework. Take the screenshot here one and here one. Got it? From here to here. If you want answers, I will give answers also. You check it out once. Is it correct or not? Okay? Yeah, this is the answers. Fourth one 1.56, fifth one is this 0.93, sixth one is 0.70 volts, and seventh one 0.34 volts. Okay, this is the problems homework you have to do. Got it? Now bye guys, take care. Now next we will go to the some more problems are there. After that problems we will go to the Nernst equation. Very interesting one, very important one. Lot of problems will come based on this one. Nernst equation. Next week almost 3-4 days we will work on this Nernst equation. Okay. Yeah, that Dia is asked that question. What is Nernst equation, sir? Okay, we'll discuss next class. Bye guys, take care, maintain the social distance. Bye.